In order to perform any and all aspects of automated list management, you have two basic choices. One, you can install an autoresponder script on your server. Two, you can sign up for an online autoresponder service. Although either choice would provide a superior method of managing your mailing lists, installing an autoresponder script has distinct disadvantages. For one thing, you'll be responsible for maintaining a mailing list script once it's installed. If anything goes wrong, you or someone who's qualified to do so will have to troubleshoot the problem and get it fixed as quickly as possible. Secondly, if you change web hosts, you'll have to reinstall the program on your new server. That could be quite a chore, especially if you've already accumulated thousands of names and email addresses. Not to mention the additional cost involved if you have to hire an independent person or company to handle the reinstallation. Plus, it's very easy to get your IP address blacklisted. If that happens, nobody will receive any of your messages. With an online autoresponder service, everything behind the scenes is taken care of. All you have to worry about is attracting more subscribers. And since your list will be remotely hosted on their server, there's no concern about ever having to move your operation or being blacklisted. Keep in mind, however, that you need to be certain about the autoresponder service you initially choose. Changing services somewhere down the road means that any and all of your autoresponder addresses will have to be changed as well. That means whatever messages, e-courses, or reports are being automatically sent through the original service will no longer work. You could have dozens of online instances where your autoresponder emails would have to be updated. But not to worry. Even if the unthinkable happens, if something forces you to change autoresponder services in midstream, there's one method you can use that will make it relatively simple to update your autoresponder email addresses. Mind you, this only works for autoresponders you haven't yet created. If you already have addresses out there, there's no way to bring them back. The first thing you need to do is set up your autoresponder service and establish one or more autoresponder email addresses. For example, let's say you've set up the following autoresponders. 1. Marketing. This one is used for your generic mailing list signups. 2. E-course. This one is used to send a free marketing course. 3. Product info. This one is used to send information about a specific product you're selling. And 4. FAQ. This one is used to send a list of your frequently asked questions. Now, go into your web hosting account and create email addresses with the same names. marketing@yourdomain.com, ecourse@yourdomain.com, productinfo@yourdomain.com, and FAQ@yourdomain.com. The last thing you need to do is have each of those web host email addresses forwarded to the corresponding autoresponder for the service you signed up for. For example, marketing@yourdomain.com forwards to the marketing autoresponder address. ecourse@yourdomain.com forwards to the ecourse autoresponder address. productinfo@yourdomain.com forwards to the product info autoresponder address. FAQ@yourdomain.com forwards to the FAQ autoresponder address. The email addresses you actually use within your sign-up forms and published on your web pages, in ebooks, in ads on forums, and so forth, would be the ones you created in your own web hosting account. With this type of system in place, you won't ever have to worry about orphan addresses in the event you have to change your online autoresponder service. If that happens, all you need to do is log into your web hosting account and change the forwarding addresses. Now, with all that being said, if you don't wish to take these additional safety measures or spend any time creating the email addresses in your own web hosting account, then by all means, just create the lists directly in your autoresponder account. This is definitely the easiest way to do it.